Hello everyone, it's Ahmed from Node 101. Welcome to the new video of our video series where we review the projects that we validate and stake their tokens. In this video, we will review Desmos Network and then stake our tokens. Let's start with reviewing Desmos Network, which aims to change the landscape of the social media space. Desmos is a proof-of-stake blockchain built on the Cosmos SDK and based on the Tendermint consensus engine. Designed specifically for the social networking apps and projects, Desmos focuses on decentralizing social media business models to prioritize users' interests. The Desmos chain functions as a protocol on top of which various applications can be built. The platform also provides the backbone for decentralized social networks, allowing developers to create innovative applications that leverage Desmos features. In a world where users' data is sold by social media platforms, privacy breaches and censorship occurs, the concept of decentralized social media is becoming more widely heard. Desmos Network puts users in control of their data, allowing them to earn money by advertising and personal data sharing. It also fights against censorship, allowing users to speak more freely without fear of censorship. Desmos promotes a more open, transparent, and uncensored social media community. Users on the platform can validate content, ensuring freedom of speech and promoting the wisdom of crowd. Desmos allows users to earn Desmos tokens by engaging with targeted advertising or sharing personal data with selected companies. Additionally, Desmos implements its anonymous concept called decentralized identities or Desmos profiles, which is providing a level of anonymity that protects users' privacy. If we examine the team, the company behind this project is Forbole, founded in Hong Kong in 2017. This company provides validator services on nearly 60 networks and develops crypto tools. Big Dipper is an award-winning explorer and Forbole X, which is a wallet, are one of the two tools that they have developed. They also invest in various projects as Forbole Ventures. Yes, we can summarize Desmos Network like this in general. Now let's see how to stake Desmos tokens together and what to pay attention to while staking. First, we need to download the Forbole X wallet to stake our Desmos tokens. Click on the Discover button. It redirects us to wallet website. It says download the extension, so click on it. Then there will be a Chrome web store. You should download this wallet from this. Add this extension to your browser. Click on the Get Started, then you should write a password. And you should retype the password again. From here, you can either create a new wallet or import an old wallet that you are using already. I will import my wallet, so I will click on the Import Wallet button. And I will use my secret keys to restore my wallet, so I will click on the first option. Okay, I wrote my words and press next. Here you can customize your wallet with these options, or you can just click the Start Now button. Now again I will write a password here. You should write a moniker name. I will write my moniker name, and here I will choose the Desmos token and import it. Yes, our wallet installation has been successfully completed. I have 50 Desmos tokens in my imported wallet, which I will use symbolically for staking in this video. Now let's move on what we should pay attention to while staking. I go to the x.forbole.com website and refresh it. As you can see, we entered our wallet. enter the staking section on the left. We can see active validators here. So what should we pay attention to when staking? Let's answer various questions such as whether we should stake to validators with high commission rates or higher ranked validators. The first thing we should pay attention to is the commission rate. We should not stake to validators with a commission rate of 100%. This is because a commission rate of 100% means that validator will take 100% of the rewards that you will receive. For example, in the second page, if you stake a validator with a commission rate of 100%, you can't earn any rewards. So do not stake to the 100% commission rates validators. It may seem logical to stake to validators with a commission rate of 0, but there is also a catch. When projects do airdrops, they can exclude validators with a commission rate of 0. So if you stake a 0 commission, you will earn more, but if there is an airdrop, you may not get the airdrop. So should we stake to lower ranked or higher ranked validators? Since staked tokens also represented voting power, having all decisions made by top-ranked people would harm decentralization. Therefore, to maintain decentralization and avoid having all voting power in the hands of few, it may be better to stake to lower-ranked validators. Now let's stake our tokens. I will open my wallet, click the delegate button. I have 50 Desmos tokens and I will stake half to our own validator and half to a random validator to contribute to decentralization. First, let's stake our own validator. Write the amount, then click next. Here I will type node 101 and choose our validator. If you want, you can write something to node and then click the next button. You need to confirm your transaction. Then it will ask for password. I will write my password. Then click next. Okay, we successfully staked our tokens. Here we can also see 25 Desmos tokens as delegated tokens in our wallet. Now let's randomly choose a validator to contribute to decentralization. To be fair, I will use the Wheels of Names website to make the selection. Now let's spin to learn our validator. Okay, we got CryptoPlant as winner validator. Now let's take to CryptoPlant validator. Again, I will open my wallet. Click the delegate button, enter the amount, then click next. Delegate to, I will write here CryptoPlant. Yes, we found it. Then next, confirm your transaction. Okay, we successfully delegated our tokens again. That's it for this video. Thank you for listening and see you in the next videos of the series.